It's fun. Boop.
Every single time you pass, all the bugs just jump in the air.
In front of me, there was like 6 lizards at one time back there. I was like, oh my god. No rear brake. I just realized you don't have a rear brake.
What do you mean?
I'm pushing it down as hard as I can and it's not slowing down in the rear.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, okay, then I'm a pussy. I can't fucking...
You're just probably sliding it.
No, I was looking down the whole time. I was like, I can't get it to engage. But how do you think? What do you think of the gas jets?
The power between them is way different.
Yeah. This is like by far way more top end.
Yeah.
And also this thing will vibrate you to death. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't know how your like feet feel, but mine are like fucking...
It's more of my arms.
Yeah. I mean, it's smooth. It's really really comfortable and it sounds great. So
yeah, his gears are super close.
yeah.
Well, because you went in the first 3, like then it opens up. That's why it's 6 gears, so it's made for like trails and climbing.
Oh, okay.
So once you go to first, it's like a tractor, it just climbs anything. That's why. So once you go to 3rd, that's why I said open it up. That's where like kind of like it kicks in.
Oh, okay.
You mind if I take yours for a little
Go
spin?
for it, yeah.
You want to take mine for a spin?
No, I'm good.
Oh. You got it, Matt?
Yeah.
All right.
You want this one?
I'm chilling.
Really?
Yeah,
Come on.
I'm good.
He doesn't want to get addicted to 2 strokes.
I have my Kawasaki.
Yeah. He swore he would never get on a green bike ever again.
No, actually my Kawasaki's treating me well.
So engine on, Right?
No, it's, yeah, just
Oh.
one button.
Just right here?
Yeah, that's the circle light.
I do miss that noise though sometimes, that brap noise.